All right, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing an update video on the AUDUSD analysis I did about a week ago. So for someone just watching this video, I will do a little recap of the previous video so that you can understand these updates. All right, last week I actually gave a likely prediction for AUDUSD and that if this happen, this is what we will be expecting. So I want to give us an update of what actually transpired. Now we're going to my daily time frame. So when I checked my daily time frame, um, there was a breakup structure to the upside. Now because there was the breakup structure to the upside, it means I'll be having a buy bias. I'll be having a buy bias. So what I did was I came down to 4 hour time frame to see if I can get a double bottom. But mind you, as at the time I was doing the video last week, yes, last week, at the time I was doing the video last week, this part of the video has not yet, this part of the chart has not yet formed. Where is it? Okay, yeah, this part of the chart. Let me separate it with a vertical line. Yeah, this part of the chart has not yet formed. Yeah, the right side has not yet formed. So what I did last week was this. I actually checked for a possible double bottom, and yes, I saw one. This was my double bottom. Yeah, my double bottom. So having identified my double bottom, I needed to look for my neckline. And my neckline will be the highest point between the point A and point B. So let me take it. So this is my neckline. I labeled it neckline. Neckline. Alright, so that's my neckline. So I need to find the half of my neckline. So I took my ruler and I had to measure it. Okay, so that's the half of my neckline. Okay, so let me label it half of neckline. Half of neckline. So last week I actually said if this double bottom fails, that is, it refuses to get to our neckline, we are going to measure this distance, because at the end of the day, it will form something like a cup and handle. Now, just watch as I do the analysis. So I actually, okay. So as you can see now, the double bottom actually later failed because it didn't get our neckline, and the candle broke structure here, came down here. So like I said last time when I was doing the video, I said when we have a scenario like this, what we'll do next, we'll come here, we'll pick our curve, then okay, then we'll measure from here. Okay, so I'll take it straight toward our neckline. Okay, so I'll do the same thing here. But the only difference here is that the top of this will now be the height, this field. All right. So you can look the structure. It's looking like a cup and handle, the bigger part and the smaller part. So what I did next was to take my rectangle and I draw it from there to the field. All right, I think it's fine this way. All right, let me change the color so that it will. Let me change it to blue. All right. So I'll do the same thing for the bigger parts of the cup and handle. So what I did now is I took this. I'll have to take it down. And I'll also bring this one. I'll have to take it down. So from what I said last week, it means that because there was a failed double bottom, we'll be expecting price to actually sell down this entire length. Now the choice is it depends on the market and the way price is moving. You can decide to do this one first or this one first. So in order for us to actually catch the entry, I actually did my entry using my 1 hour time frame. So since I already know the likely direction that the market was about to move, so what I did was this. So there was a block around the side, but it's not the focus of today's market. So I will just share around this. Permit me to take this one inside. Okay, so since I know this is the entire distance I'm looking at, and my entry was around here, I was able to I have different models for entering my trade. So I already have this. Yeah, my okay, and my okay. All right, then I already had this like this. One thing I'm not so sure for my okay. All right, so this was my entry. So I already had 1:4. Then if I had taken it down to this side, I would have had 1:5.42. So it was actually quite easy for me to do that, simply because I actually understand the direction of the markets. And that notwithstanding, again, market broke this candle with the body. So I had the likely predictions that market will still go further. Now, so what I just did, okay, I just increased the distance. So I cloned this, then I took it further down. Okay. Now, so since I already had a bias now market did something here, market did something here. Well, like, well, everybody have their method of entry. So what I did also, I actually, there was a block here, there was a block here. Well, this is not the focus of the video, so I might not be talking about the entry model I actually used here, but there was a sell block around here. I caught the trade. Okay, then I took it here. Oh, wow! So I was able to catch this trade. So we had about 1 to 5 here, also here. So you can see from this now, we could easily see tell that the market is not actually manipulated like some of us actually think. You just need time to actually understand the mysteries behind it. Try to understand where price is coming from and where price is going. Because with that, it will give you a likely guide. All you just need to do next is to just look for your entry models and enter the trade, and before profitability will become the language. Thank you very much for a new commerce to my YouTube channel. Please, you can always subscribe to the YouTube channel so that whenever I post a video, you can easily get them. Thank you. Bye bye.